Thanks for stopping by. The owners have just popped out. Shall we have a quick nose around? This one-room paradise was designed for a mom and her son, but there are loads of ideas for you to make the most of any small space in your home. If you want to sweep through the flat, you can skip ahead to any room. Just click on these links. To see the room, simply click and drag in any direction. Wall, sofa, and extra storage. These slim little kitchen rails with hanging pockets create floating space. Think up, not just across.